In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wix name servers in just a few simple steps. This guide will make it easy for you to locate the exact information you need without any hassle. Whether you're setting up a website or simply needing to configure domain settings, knowing how to find your Wix name servers is an essential skill. So, let's dive right in. Start by heading over to the Wix website. You need to access your account dashboard, which serves as the central location for all your site management activities. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and get to the homepage. Once you're on your Wix homepage, direct your attention to the top of your browser where you see the URL. What you'll want to do here is copy this URL to your clipboard. This is a crucial step because the URL contains specific identifiers for your Wix site, which you'll need for the next few steps. Next, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the website myip.ms. This platform is a vital tool in our process today, as it allows us to explore deeper into a site's technical details, including its name servers. When you arrive at the myip.ms homepage, you'll notice a search bar prominently placed. Here is where you should paste the URL you copied from your Wix dashboard. Inputting this URL will enable the site to retrieve and display relevant information about your Wix website. After pasting the URL, locate and click on the Whois Lookup button. This button initiates a search that will delve into the record details of the entered domain, revealing important data such as ownership, registration, and of course name servers. The search results may seem a bit overwhelming at first glance given the breadth of information presented. However, don't be deterred. What we're focusing on here is a section specifically labelled Website Name Servers. You'll find this if you scroll down the page. Take a moment here to carefully review the section containing your Wix name servers. These are the details you're looking for. The name servers are generally listed alongside other technical specifications, but they'll clearly stand out in the section we're targeting. And there you have it. With those steps completed, you've successfully located your Wix name servers. Remember, having this information allows you greater flexibility in managing your website's domain settings, which can be crucial for various web projects and integrations. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need a refresher. Thank you for watching and good luck with all your web endeavors.